I'm showing you how easily you can make the quickest and healthiest viral low-carb pizza bowl with cottage cheese. First, we saute mushrooms and spinach to add delicious veggies to our bowl. Then we combine them with cottage cheese, marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, and your choice of meat. Then we simply microwave or bake it until it's warm and bubbly. It's low in carbs, but high in protein, flavor, nutrition, and pizza satisfaction. Hello there, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and I am so glad you're here. If you love healthier recipes made with all natural ingredients like I do, then you are in the right place. Because I love to add as many vegetables to dishes as I can, I'm adding some mushrooms and spinach to this pizza bowl. So I'm just taking 3 mushrooms and then doing a quick dice on them. Now we could just put these right into our bowl, but I like to saute them first to get the most flavor. So now we end up with 1/4 cup of chopped mushrooms. Next, we're going to bring a small frying pan to medium heat, and then I'm adding in just about a teaspoon of some light olive oil. And I'll quickly move that around. Then we'll add in our mushrooms, 1 cup of baby spinach. Then I'll add a dash of some garlic powder and a couple of pinches of salt. And then I'll gently give them a stir, and then we'll just let these sit and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the spinach wilts. So after about a minute, we can see that our spinach is starting to wilt. And our mushrooms have also reduced and have a beautiful dark brown color to them. So now we can turn off the heat. Now to minimize any excess moisture in our pizza bowl, I'm going to take 2 pieces of paper towel and then just empty the mushrooms and spinach right onto it. And then I'll just fold over the paper towel, and then I'll press it down gently so it can absorb any of the excess moisture. And then I like to go in and just do a rough chop on the spinach just to make sure I don't have any long stems or pieces. Now that our veggies are cooked, we can assemble our pizza bowl. And I'm going to start with 1/2 cup of cottage cheese. And you can use full fat, low fat, non-fat, whatever your preference. I like to use full fat to get the creamiest texture and best flavor. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of our favorite marinara sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of some Italian seasoning. And we'll simply mix these together. And this is going to make the creamy, high protein base for our bowl. Next, we're going to layer in our vegetables. You could also use onions or peppers, but I find that the mushrooms and spinach are the gentlest on digestion. Next, we can add 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese that you like. Next, you can add your favorite meat, and I'm adding in about 8 slices of some turkey pepperoni. Now you have the option of baking it in your oven or in your air fryer or in the microwave. And I include directions to all 3 methods in the recipe card, which is linked in the video description below. I'm going to go ahead and put this into my microwave for 1 minute or until that cheese is bubbly and melted. And I do recommend covering your bowl with either a paper towel or a microwave cover to keep it from splattering inside your microwave. So after 1 minute in my microwave, our bowl is warm and bubbly, and it smells amazing. Now your pizza bowl will have some excess liquid coming from your marinara sauce, but you could either just mix it all together or you could pour off some of that liquid into your sink, and it will still taste amazing. Now as an optional garnish on top, I'm going to take just a couple of basil leaves and give them a fine dice and sprinkle those right on top. Not only does this add a beautiful contrasting color, but amazing flavor. Now we simply go in with our spoon, and we get that amazing cheese pull, which is the best part. I'm blowing it so it's not too hot. That is so good. As soon as you bite in, you get those delicious tomato and Italian flavors, and you get the texture of the melted mozzarella cheese, which is just like pizza. And I love adding the fresh vegetables, which makes it even more of a satisfying meal. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel just as good even after I eat it. And I love being able to share these creatively healthy recipes so that you can enjoy them too. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.